Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate assistive grid on the app dazzcam. So first you tap on the gallery on the bottom left corner and and then add look for the setting icon. So on the top left corner there is the setting icon. Tap there, and there it says assistive grid. Turn it on, and then you could just go back and tap on camera, and the assistive grid is activated. So that's it for today. I hope it's useful, and thank you for watching.